Hello guys, welcome back once again in the study treat. Hope that you all must be studying at home and being in good health. Guys, I request you to please be helpful at home and carry on studying. Before starting the videos, I would like to request you all guys to please press the bell icon and subscribe the channel over here. Thank you guys. Guys, all the videos, to watch all the videos is mandatory. Okay, and please, after watching the video, full video, I would like to request you to please go to the comment box and drop your names, so that it will be easy for us all to take your attendance every day in all the subjects, guys. Not only for the Hindi, English, Maths, but for all the subjects are mandatory to watch the full videos. Go to the comment box and drop your name. Mention your name. Okay guys, now guys, today we are going to learn about the collective nouns. In our previous class we had studied about few collective nouns. In this chapter, in this video, we are going to learn the right uses of collective nouns, more examples of collective nouns to identify the collective nouns, guys. Okay, if you have book, just open on exercise 5. If you don't have book, doesn't matter, go to the PDF. Download the PDF, guys. All the pages has been scanned in your PDF. Homework has been given in your PDF, guys. It is mandatory to copy all this in your fair copy. If possible, just mention the date right up here in your fair copy. Write in a good and neat writing, guys. Now come, let us get started. Collective nouns. I have mentioned the definition here. Collective nouns are group names. It's a group names for people, person or things. Okay, suppose that, for example, you have many keys. So what are you going to say? A bunch of keys, a bunch of grapes, okay, a galaxy of stars. These are examples of few collective nouns. To understand the collective nouns, come guys, and the right uses of collective nouns, come, let us go through this passage. A small passage I have given you here. Come, let us identify the collective nouns. Here is the passage, guys. Last summer we went to Africa for a safari. We were with a caravan of travelers. It was our first day. It was afternoon and the sun was glaring down mercilessly. A pride of lions dozed quietly under an old thorn tree. A leap of leopard lay on the branches above, watching the lions below. A cattle of vultures circled in the dazzling sky. On the banks of river, a basket of crocodiles relaxed until the sun got too hot for them. They slid one by one into the cool water downstream. A herd of elephants enjoyed splashing water around. A flock of flamingos. Flamingos is a bird, just as a swan. It is in the color of pink. Okay guys, it has a long neck here. A flock of flamingos were looking at their pretty pink reflections in the water. So we are going to identify all the collective nouns here used in this passage, guys. Come. Last summer, when we went to Africa for a safari, we were with a caravan of travelers. A group of travelers are called caravan of travelers. Okay? See guys, a caravan of travelers. Caravan of travelers is a collective noun. Next, it was our first day. It was afternoon and the sun was glaring down mercilessly. A pride of lion. A pride of lion. A group of lion is called the pride of lion. So a pride of lion is an example of collective nouns. Dodged quietly under an old thorn tree. A leap of leopard. A group of leopard is called a leap of leopard. Okay, circle it. Lay on the branches above, watching the lions below. A cattle of vultures. Okay, vultures. A group of vultures is called a cattle of vultures. A cattle of vultures circled in the dazzling sky on the banks of the river. A basque of crocodiles. A group of crocodiles is called a basque of crocodile. Crocodiles relaxed until the sun got too hot for them. They slide one by one into the cool water downstream. A herd of elephants. A group of elephants are called a herd of elephants. Enjoyed splashing water around a flock of flamingos. I have made you understand what is the meaning of flamingos. So a flamingo, a group of flamingo is called a flock of flamingos. Where looking at their pretty pink reflection in the water. So guys, a caravan of thieves, a caravan of travelers, a pride of lion, a leap of leopard, a cattle of vulture, a basque of crocodile, a herd of elephant, and a flock of flamingos are few examples in this passage. These all circled words are group of collectives of nouns. Okay guys, so these words are collective nouns. Okay, now guys, come, let's go through our next step. So it will be more easy to understand the right uses of collective nouns. Now guys, come, let us solve this. So it will be so that you can identify more collective nouns. Okay, here I have mentioned here, complete the following sentences by choosing words from the words given below. Words are been given here. 5 words I have given here: choir, bouquet, gang, orchard, and colony. Okay, now I bought a dash flowers for my sister. So when there are many flowers, so we can say a bouquet of flowers. Okay, a bouquet of flowers for my sister. Bouquet. Okay, bouquet, bouquet. Next is the girl picked the fruit from a dash of fruit trees. Okay, now orchard. The girl plucked the fruit from an orchard of fruit trees. Fruit, orchard. Fruit of fruit trees. Next, the girl plucked the fruit from an orchard of fruit trees. Next is the police caught a dash of thieves last night. Many thieves, so we can say that a gang of. The police caught a gang. Okay, gang of thieves last night. Next question, question number 4. A dash of singers sang beautifully at the church. Okay, so a choir of singers. A group of singers are called a choir of singers. A choir of singers sang beautifully at the church. Next, a dash of ants started eating our picnic food. Ants. If many ants, so a colony of ants. Okay, a colony of ants started eating our picnic food. Okay, first one, I bought a bouquet of flowers for my sister. The girl plucked the fruit from an orchard of the fruit trees. The police caught a gang of thieves last night. A choir of singers sang beautifully at the church. A colony of ants started eating our picnic food. So these are the examples of the collective nouns. Okay guys, now come, let us go through more collective nouns. So it will be more easy to understand guys. Okay, because guys, carry on watching the video, because we are going to enjoy and we are going to learn many more things about the collective nouns guys. Now guys, apart from animals and birds, there are more words guys of collective nouns. These are the example. For one, suppose one grape. So if there are many many grapes, we can say a bunch of grapes. Okay, so I mentioned here we can use group names for other things also. Okay, now here is for one singular, and for many I have mentioned it here. One grape, a bunch of grapes. One book, a library of books. One tree, a cluster of trees. One man, a crowd of men. See, you have to be very careful, guys. Man and the men, you have to be careful of the pronunciation even. One student, a class of students. Okay, next is one player, a team of players. One key, a bunch of key. I had made you understand all this before. One puppy, a litter of puppies. These are examples of collective nouns. Go through the collective nouns, guys, and don't forget at last to please download the PDF. All the pages has been scanned. Well, guys, these are examples. Okay, once again I am going through this. One grape, a bunch of grapes. One book, a library of books. Next is one tree, a cluster of trees. One man, a crowd of men. Next is one student, a class of student. Okay, one player, a team of players. One key, a bunch of acha. Okay, key is here, so we can mention it here, keys. Okay, one key, a bunch of keys. Next is one puppy, a litter of puppies. Least but not last, I would like to request you all, guys, after watching the full video, please go to the comment box and just mention your name. So every day, before in the beginning of my video, I had told you every day we are going to take the attendance. Okay, just go to the comment box, drop your name in the comment box. Not only for the English subject and for the Hindi, it is mandatory to mention your name in all the videos. Okay, your attendance will be taken, guys. Every day your attendance will be taken. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for watching the video. Please share, comment, guys. But don't forget, guys. Please don't forget to write your name in the comment box. Thank you once again. Thank you very much, guys.